All right, Sarah, why in the world would we schedule this on a Monday after Thanksgiving?
Well,
it's the perfect
because
time to
I
talk
think-
about weight.
Yes, I think people are, transitioning back and gearing up for a busy season. And so this is the perfect time to talk about how we can improve on our health during this time instead of playing catch up in January.
Ooh, very, very good point. Because I don't know about you, but I do feel a little bit guilty about this past weekend.
I would say a little bit, but I'll tell you, semaglutide helps a whole lot because instead of eating a piece of pie, I just had a couple bites and
that's a good
I was
point.
great. Yeah.
All right, good point.
Yeah.
Let's talk about that because I know that it's gotten so much bad publicity, but I've also seen so much good publicity on it's showing that people are living longer. It's actually healthier for people to be on it.
Yeah. So, it's a GLP-1 and I've been using GLP-1s for over 10 years to help people with similar results. So weight management, lowering inflammation, helping with blood sugar levels. I mean, it is so good for you. And this is like the best GLP product you can get. And so I think it's so healthy for you.
If you are being seen by a doctor and doing it in the correct manner as well.
Yeah. Well, nurse practitioner. But yes, I do think, it's like,
I consider you my doctor.
I appreciate that.
Doctor, nurse practitioner. I just want to clarify that too. Nurse practitioners can pretty much do anything that a doctor can do for the most part.
Yep.
You are the guru of this, of hormones, of peptides, of the GLP-1s. I mean, the thing is, this is your focus.
Yeah. So regenerative medicine from the start, I'm family practice certified, but I came out running, focusing on everything regenerative to look and feel our best at any age.
And you do it so well. I literally wouldn't go to anyone else. When anybody comes to me and says, but I'm on hormone therapy, but I'm on the GLP-1s and I'm just not, I go, then you're probably not getting the right dose. You're probably not getting what your body needs. And that's where there's a big disconnect.
Kind of become like Botox. You can get it on any corner,
For sure.
But I always caution people, we have a very good dialed in program. Our patients don't have side effects. We see results. We're helping them being their accountability partner. So you really get the best results for what you paid for.
I love that.
Yeah.
And I have not been on the GLP-1s, but I'm also an advocate for it. I've brought many people in here to get on it. And I do believe that it is good for you. And I don't think that it is just a magic pill because it isn't.
No, it's something that you put into your regimen to be as healthy as possible. It's not the easy way out. It's not a magic pill. It's giving your body something to help it be as healthy as, it can be, and utilizing a good diet and exercise. It helps you approach food in such like a powerful way so that you're eating for health and wellness versus like, oh, these French fries smell good.
That's a really good
That's
point.
awesome. Yeah.
So going into the holidays right now, so many people come out of it 10 pounds heavier, and then they're so upset and don't know how to get their bodies back on track. This is a great way to prevent all of that from happening. And then on top of that, once you start seeing, Sarah, if you start with one goal, whether it is to get your hormones on track or whether it is to lose a little bit of weight, you can literally become our own concierge nurse to take care of everything about our wellness.
Yeah, we try to be able to help with the whole person. We look at certain vitamins and supplements. Definitely hormonal support is the basis to everything. And then kind of build off of that based off of what your goals are and what's going on with you individually.
Okay, so it's never too late to start. It doesn't matter if you've already gone through menopause. At any point in your life, you can start taking better care of yourself and get your body dialed in. And this is a great place to start.
Yeah. Any age, I have people bringing their high school kids in just for kind of a eval for certain issues. I have people well into the years. I mean, it doesn't matter. And there's obviously a different approach to everybody.
Men and women.
Yeah, men and women. Yeah, and different approach to everybody. But we love to help anybody at any age.
Besides the fact now the kids are so stressed out, cortisol levels can be really out of whack. You're seeing a lot of that.
I really am, especially high schoolers, as they're like juniors or starting to get ready for college, the stress and the pressure, it is affecting, kids with anxiety and being tired. And so just kind of being able to take a look at that globally to help.
And there are vitamins and hormones that can help with that.
Definitely. Depending on the person, there is a lot that we can do and different approaches to help support their system during the busy time.
All right, so there you have it, you guys. Arcadia Wellness Center. You don't have to be in the Phoenix metro area to have Sarah help you, because telemedicine is now a huge thing. You can get your blood work done and everything done where you live. You get on a Zoom call and you go through everything and you can figure it out.
Yep, we try to do everything as conveniently as possible. Just call the office and we can see how best we can help you.
And 10% off when you mention me. So what are you waiting for? Get going on it now before you're sad in January.
For sure.
And that's why we're here on a Monday.
On a Monday.
After Thanksgiving. All right, bye guys. Mwah.